All right, so we're in our Zevia room. This is the front door. I'm backing it real far because my camera is weird, but got the front door right here, wooden aesthetics. Then we have a sliding door right here that takes us to the bathroom. Has a walk-in shower right here, as you can see, with a waterfall shower head. Also, there's an adjustable one right there. In here's the room. You can see my arm. You got double vanities right here. Big mirror, water as well. Come over here, you see another mirror. And then we have the toilet, sliding door facing the room. And right here we have the closet. I'm gonna have to back up real far. Closet is tall, comes with 2 robes, and then we have an iron, scale, 2 pairs of slippers. The other one over here has a safe and some shelving, what have you, just like that. And then the room itself, it's, beachy vibes, double bed, kind of big TV. Got some art on the wall right here. Nothing too extravagant. It's just the property is what you're here for, I guess. Over here, all this is included: the water, the coffee. There is a tablet that you can order, room service, to look at the menu. Mini fridge here, everything's included. Got some sodas, got a couple of beers, some juice. Every day it's replenished. Over here, got a couple snacks. We already took the chips, but this is replenished every day. It's included. Not necessarily sure what's in here. It's probably just it's in a drawer, but semi-smart TV seems. But we got the room that has the beach access, you know what I'm saying? So this is awesome. This is what you want. It's kind of a quieter side. You come out here, you're on the first floor. Oh, there's a hammock. Oh my gosh. Seems like there's a hammock right there. Oh my gosh, so quiet over here. And you just step a couple feet out, you hear, and you got the water right there. Very pretty, very nice. And we're gonna do a little bit of turn and we're gonna see what building we're in. So it all looks like that.